On this video, we'll use a piece of copper to get HU83 key. This is super key blank. We use super key blank to make HU83 key blank. Pay attention, HU83 key blank has a groove on the lateral side. And then we'll finish this operation by the M to tank CNC key cutting machine. First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth number. Here, please click Generate Key Type. Select Laser Key Blank. Here we search HU83. Enter HU83. The tip says, please prepare L key blank. Click Cutting for the first time. Here it needs to change 1.5 cutter. Click Change Cutter. Depending on the guide picture, install the cutter and probe into the cylinder. Push them up the top. Pay attention to screws. Click OK. Depending on the guide picture, pull the probe down to touch the surface of the jaw. If it doesn't touch, please pull it down by your hand. Tighten the screws finally. Click OK if it's ready. Click OK. Go on, click Continue. Click Cutting for the first time. Here is the guide picture of key installation. Install the super key blank on the jaw. If it's ready, click Continue. One side cutting is finished. We have to cut the other side. Depending on the guide picture. Click Continue. Both sides are finished. And now we'll use this key blank to make a key. Click Cut by Bidding. Here, please search HU83. Click HU83. Click the standard key. Install the original key depending on the jaw. Here, click Continue. Click Identify. Go on, Continue. Key bidding is ready. Remember to use cutter to point 0 to cut keys but the current cutter is 1.5. We should exchange them. Following my operation, click OK. Select a 0.0 millimeters cutter and 1 millimeter probe. In the same way, depending on the guide picture, and install the cutter to 0.0 millimeters. If all is ready, and next is to install key blank. Finally, click Cut. Click Continue. Finish cutting both sides. Let's try to turn on the lock. It looks perfect.